Today I'll be talking about 2015 Toyota Tacoma and how to reset the maintenance required light, which is mostly likely it's the oil change. If you did an oil change, you have to reset it or it'll go off anywhere between 3,000 to 5,000 I believe miles. Not sure what that is in kilometers. So, and I'm sure this will work for 2006 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma, and maybe other cars too in Toyota cars like Camry, maybe, I'm not sure exactly. But what you do is, okay, let's start it. So you go put the key and you go to 1, 2, but don't start the car. And to reset the maintenance, which is mine's not on right now, but you go and there's this button right here. It changes right here. It's like a little knob. Show closer. If I keep pressing, you'll see on the left it changes the odometer. Shows my mileage and then 2 trips. You have to be in the, not what's the mileage shows. You have to be on one of these. I'll put the first one, A. So leave it there, and then you turn off the car. So my key is on ACC, and then what I have to do is this button that I showed you, the knob, you have to press and hold. While you press and hold, you'll see that thing light up. I'm gonna set my camera so I can use 2 hands, and then you have to use 2 hands because I'm holding that thing, and at the same time I turn the key 1 click, and then you see that thing lights up. Once it goes to all the zeros, that's reset. That's how you do it. So if you want to see more videos like that about Tacoma or any other car, let me know how to reset maintenance require light, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.